I will have a top cut. So, top cut today. I don't know how to do it. Yeah, ooh, that's fire. My dad told me so yeah guys. But I haven't ever had a cupcake in my life. This is only when I was little, only one time. But this is actually my second time. I don't remember how anything tastes. I don't remember how they look. I do know it's just cupcakes. So yeah guys, I just want to video. Because there's two in each one, so I have to take a break. Okay guys, bye for right now. I'm gonna pretend it. Bye. Really? Rabbit?